Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, my dear students. Today, again, with a new chapter of our IGCSE Math Coordinate Geometry. And our first question is 058022 February March 20. A is the point 305. B is the point 1 or negative 7. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to AB and passes through the point A. Give your answer in the form y equal mx plus c. To find the equation of the perpendicular, we have to find the slope of AB. As you can see from the drawing, he needs to know the equation of the line perpendicular to AB. So we need to find the equation of this line. To find the equation of this line, we have first to find the slope of AB or the gradient of AB. The gradient of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equal 7 negative 7 minus 5 over 1 minus 3. Negative 12 over negative 2, and it is equal to 6. So the slope of AB is 6. Then the slope of the line perpendicular to AB is equal to negative 1 over 6. The additive multiplicative inverse of 6. Slope of the line perpendicular to AB is equal to negative 1 over 6. The additive multiplicative inverse of this value. To find the equation of a straight line is equal y equal mx plus c. The slope is negative 1 over 6. Now we have to find the value of c. C is equal to y minus mx. We just have to move this part to the other side. Y minus mx. C equal. Now we will use the point A because the line of perpendicular to AB is passing through A. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 5, and the slope is equal to negative 1 over 6. So we can find the value of C using our calculator. As you can see now, C equal 5 minus negative 1 over 6 times 5. The value of C is 35 over 6. Then we can now write the equation y equal negative 1 over 6x plus 35 over 6. Thank you.